Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one I'm going to do the unique kind of CPU throttling test comparison between these both phones, which is Realme GT Master Edition versus Moto H20 device. So right now both phones battery percentage are exactly 15% as you can see friends. So this is my first time doing this kind of unique kind of testing, which I just want to push this kind of limits between these both phones by doing the CPU throttling test when the battery percentage is 15%. Yes friends, I did wantedly choose this kind of exact battery percentage. I just want to see which phone actually maintains really good throttling even when the battery percentage is below 15%. Right now let me try to clear everything from the background applications. So all the background applications are completely clear from the background. You can clearly see here. And let me try to put in the airplane mode. So in the airplane mode. So both phones are completely in airplane mode as well. That's kind of perfect. And now let me try to open the CPU throttling test application between these both phones, and right now I'll try to select about exactly 10 minutes of time, not 15 minutes, 10 minutes, because right now the battery percentage is kind of close to 15%. That's the reason I thought of decreasing the time. But number of threads I did keep maximum to 100 threads. So that's the highest number of threads we can actually use in this application. That's the highest I'm trying to use at this moment. So we're going to see what will be the result regarding the CPU throttling test between these both phones. So which phone will maintain really good consistent level of CPU throttling during this time of comparison. That is what my main idea of comparing between this both phones side by side. So regarding the temperatures, both phones are kind of close. I think 32 degrees and 30 degrees, not a huge difference. 31 and 30 degrees Celsius. And now let me need to start the test 1, 2 and 3. So right now the CPU throttling test has been started, and both are having the exactly same Snapdragon 778G processor. So I just want to get a confirmation which phone actually performs what kind of manner when the battery percentage is close to 15%. So I'm going to be back after some time just to check what is happening with the overall graphs and overall temperatures, maybe after 5 and 10 minutes of time. Then we can discuss more details. So right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to 5 minutes of time, you can see the Moto H20, the graph has been decreased. It came below 80%, as you can see, and the battery percentage, both phones seems to be kind of draining equally, 12% and 12%. As you can see friends clearly, after just 5 minutes of time, this is the graph situation between these both phones. Realme GT Master Edition was able to maintain really good levels regarding the throttling, and temperatures 38 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius in the Moto H20. 37 degrees Celsius. On the back side, that is 6.2. On the back side, 38.4. So highest on the back side, as you can see, 38.4, somewhere around here, getting 37.8, 38.6 in this position exactly. Yes, I can actually feel the heat coming in this position. I do feel. So 38 degrees friends, the temperature increased in the Moto H20 and 37 degrees Celsius and 38.8 degrees Celsius in the Realme GT Master Edition, as you can see clearly. So I'm going to be back after exactly 10 minutes of time, then we can actually discuss complete details about the graph. But right now, it looks really good in the Realme GT Master Edition at this moment by looking at the graph, how stable and consistent it's maintaining. So I'm going to be back after some time. So finally we got the CPU comparison between these both phones regarding the throttling comparison, as you can see exactly friends. And the battery percentage slightly decreased 9% and 10%, not a huge difference. But look at the graph, OMG, as you can see. Seriously, the graph difference between both phones is really huge, as you can see friends, definitely. Even though both phones are having the similar kind of Snapdragon processors, but still, it feels really huge difference friends, like 76% throttling and no CPU throttling detected. That's kind of really good to see this kind of performance, as you can see friends. What is happening? Below 15%, still the Realme GT Master Edition was able to keep up with that kind of really very stable performance levels, always. Doesn't matter what kind of battery percentage it is, still the phone was able to keep pretty good stable performance. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're interested in this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of videos as soon as possible on your request. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.